Okay guys, welcome back, and again we're carrying on with our unboxing of rare Kyosho Mini Zs, and we've got some little beauties from, I believe, Spain. So, don't know if you can tell what that is, guys. Yeah, you probably can't tell it's a Ferrari in it, guys. Now the thing is, I have the F40. I got that as a chassis. Didn't have no wheels with it. But I like the shit. I don't know what it was. I think it's the way the spoiler kind of like joins the car. It's not a separate entity. And I think that's what kind of pulled me towards it. It wasn't the wheels, because I don't like the wheels at all. They're horrible. Like the Lamborghini wheels. But I really like that. I kind of like a futuristic kind of look. I didn't expect Ferraris to have a version like this, but I think the F40 I knew about, but I didn't know there was an F50. So, but that spoiler just looks mean, man. Alright, it looks a bit dated now, but it just kind of flows with the bodywork. Mean. Really mean. There we go for the front. And I know we've got a bit of glare. Don't worry, guys. It's going to be on the stand, and we're going to see it in its glory. So yeah. Beautiful. So anyhow, what's weird is managed to get this new, and I think the case is different for this one. The guy didn't have the right case, so that helped me battle with him. So yep. And then I managed to get the same kind of car, well, exactly the same car in yellow. I'll get this out. I should be able to pull it out. Alright, all pulls apart. I don't think this is being battered, so it'll just be a case of fitting it onto the dummy chassis and we should be good to go. Right, here we go. Alright, this definitely must be Hero. Let's take it out of the packet. Okay. Right, there are some little marks on it, guys, but I think it's stuff I could just wipe away. What do you prefer? Red or yellow? I don't know, yellow's kind of mean as well, man. Yellow and black looks nice. I mean, like with that F355, I like that. I think they should have done the spoiler black and had some black, you know, maybe the bits that are the indents in the car. If they were black, I think it looked proper cool. It's alive. Okay, let's look at them on the display stand, guys. And we're gonna move on, guys. So yep, so them are the Ferraris. I've never really had them before. New to the collection, guys. I've had more of the newer kind of Ferraris, like the LaFerrari 458. But the older ones, it was just the F40. So yeah, this little collection here where there's a Testarossa and there's a F355 and now these F50s. So yeah, so I like having my little race vids, guys. Ferrari versus Lamborghini, we're gonna have to get it on. So stay tuned for that. Okay, watch on the display stand, guys. We are gonna move on. Okay, guys. So here we've got the Ferrari F50 in red. Comes in loads of other colours as well. As a Mini Z, this is a 94mm wheelbase, and this class is at L. Chassis type is RML. It's got the 5-spoke silver speedline F50 type wheels. I prefer the F40 wheels though. I like the deep dish ones, especially the ones at the, you know, the one at the back. That's my kind of to my liking. People have called this an ugly Ferrari, guys. I kind of disagree. Some people have said it looks like a futuristic supercar on steroids. I quite like it. I didn't think it was a Ferrari when I first saw it. I was like, that does not look like a Ferrari. It was different. It looks like one of like Celine sports cars, like the Firelap. I quite like it. Apart from the wheels, I quite like that. So I think it was released because Ferrari was celebrating the firm's 50 years. So yeah, I like it actually. The spoiler at the back is quite unique. I kind of like it. So this F50 is a mid-engine range-topping sports car, and it's a two-door, two-seat convertible with removable hardtop. It has 4.7 litre naturally aspirated 60 valve. What? Can't be right. V12 engine that was developed from the 3.5 litre V12 used in the 1992 Ferrari F52A Formula 1 car. Whoa. So it was built to compete in the GT1 class racing. So they had to make adjustments to it, and then they pumped out a 4.7 litre engine, V12 engine, and tuned it to generate about 750 horsepower. I mean, Ferrari cars, guys, can still hold their own, even till this day. Even the older models, they'll still kick butt, man. They'll beat most of the cars on the road. So the two previous supercars that Ferrari had made had been powered by turbocharged V8 engines, and the 90s variant was the normally aspirated V12 engine. So they basically crossed over with technology from Formula 1 and made this beast. I had the F40, guys. I didn't get the wheels with it, but I got a body shell, really good condition, so I was quite happy with that. Any info on Not 60? Not really. I mean, I could read out loads of stuff, guys, about basically some of the mods, that how they've changed the car and it's evolved from the F40 till this. But they're saying it wasn't a very popular model, but I like this. I don't know. Stop hating on it, man. It's alright. Looks kind of cool. It is futuristic looking. Yeah, I quite like it. As it just moved. It's got a mind of its own. But yeah, I'd like to put that in vids. As I say, I've got the yellow one. And what I do, the yellow one's pre-owned. So I'm going to put the yellow one on as well, guys. And you'll see that. If not in this vid, in another vid. Yellow's pretty cool as well. Okay, guys, keep watching. Videos are getting crazier and cooler. Stay RC tuned. Mossy5734. Okay, guys, we've got the Ferrari F50. This version is in yellow, and this car's got a mind of its own and wants to move. Get on the last one I put on, the red one, moved as well. It's really Kit in disguise. It's an artificial intelligent car. Anyhow, crazy. So again, this has got the 5-spoke silver speedline, F50 type wheels, and this was the car that was released after the F40, and people didn't like it. They said it looked futuristic, too futuristic, and looked like a Ferrari on steroids. What is their problem? I like that. So it was made to celebrate 50 years of the demand of Ferrari cars in the world, hence why F50. But yeah, so they took a lot of things from the Formula 1 racing that they were doing and brought it over to this car and boosted it, put everything, moved the thing forward. So they went to a bigger engine, and you know, they had prototypes first that they brought out, which they were using a lot of the stuff from the actual Formula 1 cars, and they were making adjustments. So they actually got it up to 4.7 litres with a V12 engine, and it could generate around 750 brake horsepower. So that was one of the versions on steroids that they made. So, sorry about the alarm going off, guys. Out of my control. So they used the F1 derived V12 engine and the same chassis, and they basically redesigned it due to the monocoque. What is monocoque? I don't even know what that stuff is. Construction of the body on the F50. Because I've read the Audi R8 uses monocoque aluminium. if I'm saying it right. So obviously it's something crazy. So they're saying that the F50 was the Ferrari extreme machine of the 90s, and it took over the mantle from the F40. And as with the F40, it was a celebration model, this time heralding 50 years of Ferrari as a car manufacturer, albeit in reality a little early. At the unveiling of the new model at the 1995 Geneva Salon, Ferrari president Luca di Montezemolo, murdered his name, stated that only 349 examples will be produced, one less than they thought that they could sell. A definite change in marketing strategy brought about by changing market conditions after the slump at the beginning of the decade. Okay, there's a lot of information, man. So yeah, I like it. Enough said. Let's move on. Guys, loads more crazier, rare Mini Z stuff coming up, and you need to stay with this unboxing, guys. Don't miss out. Hit the notification bell because there's going to be a lot of stuff that's coming up, guys. There's some stuff from all over the world, and you do not want to miss out, guys. So get notified, get subscribed, and be ready.